as we're saying, we need to take about 69 doses from you today.
29-year-old Boris Altemeyer is among 4 of the first individuals to test the new drug combination in Britain's second Ebola vaccine trial. After some initial tests, he's being given a booster dose and will be closely monitored over the next few hours, weeks and for up to a year for his body's reaction. Boris is one of 72 volunteers taking part.
It's just important, I think, to actually get a handle on what is happening with the Ebola outbreak. And if we don't push for the science, or push the science further by taking part in these studies, then I think it's going to be very difficult. So I just want to make sure that I do my part for it.
The study is testing a promising combination of 2 drugs, vaccines developed in Germany and Holland, in trials that have been fast-tracked due to the crisis.
We know that in monkeys, that these vaccines protected against Ebola infection. But this is now being taken forwards into humans, and that's why this is so important. This is the first time these vaccines have been given to humans. What we're looking for is the safety profile, and also to look at how the body's immune system responds to these vaccines.
Human safety trials on at least 3 Ebola vaccines are ongoing in the race to find a drug that will transform the fight against Ebola in West Africa. Dr. Snape says the test vaccine he is overseeing looks promising, but these vaccines are not competing with each other.
Ultimately, it would be great to have more than one vaccine available. I hope that all 3 go through development and are shown to work against Ebola and are available to help prevent Ebola. That would be ideal, because the potential demand for these vaccines and the number of vaccines that would be needed is huge. And so the more manufacturers you have that are capable of producing and delivering vaccines, the better.
With phase 1 of the trial underway, phase 2 is planned for the middle of the year and will involve more people in West African countries unaffected by Ebola. Researchers and the volunteers here at the University of Oxford are hoping that these trials will produce an Ebola vaccine that could change the lives of people thousands of miles away in West Africa. Catherine Drew, CCTV, Oxford.